are current solutions to this problem, and there are current solutions to this problem, but the current solutions to this problem are limited to handheld SPL meters and frequency analyzers. What our solution does is that it combines the functionality of an SPL meter and a frequency analyzer with the capabilities of Wi-Fi and a remote data visualization at a lower cost, and provides it provides the sound system engineer to look at the audio profile of the room and therefore determine what areas of the room are quieter and like louder in music, in the small to mid-sized music performance venue, in order to prevent the audience from excessive noise levels, and by preventing the audience from excessive noise levels, as well as giving them a uniform audio listening environment for content settings. So the way the project is set right now is that we're on our testing stage of the process, and we were able to get 4 devices working consecutively. And the way that we did it is that we, as you can see, we had 4 devices working, and we did some testing in the Jonsson Performance Hall, and we left the devices in 4 different locations in the room, and we're able to find the SPL readings from those points, and the SPL readings are displayed right here. But yeah, so this was our project, and with that, I would like to open the floor for questions.
Okay, so in a music bar, performer may be far away from the backstage, right?
Right.
There may be noise in the audience in the background. How are the sensors between noise and singing?
So the way we were doing, the way we did our SPL calculation, we have a gain compensation, which is basically we'd be taking account of the noise of the current room, and based on that, we have the meters go up and down on the room. So based on that, we would recalibrate it so that it would work so that the noise level is already compensated in the calculation.
For example, somebody in the back of the auditorium